Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 14 of chapter Aldehydes, Ketones and Carboxylic acid. Which of the following reagents is the most suitable for the selective reduction of ketone group in the presence of an ester group, converting the ketone to a secondary alcohol? See, ketone and alcohol is present. Ketone and ester is present. We we have to only reduce ketone group. ಎಸ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, lithium aluminum hydride. This is very strong reducing agent. This can reduce aldehydes, ketones, esters. So option A is wrong. Lithium aluminum hydride. Option B, hydrogen in presence of nickel, catalytic hydrogenation. No, this is not correct. Option B is wrong. Option C, NaBH4, sodium borohydride. Yes, this is correct option. This is mild reducing agent which selectively reduces aldehydes or ketone to alcohols, but it do not, does not reduce ester group. So option C is correct. Option D, NH2, NH2, OH minus, Wolff-Kishner reduction. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Wolff-Kishner reduction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? CO group is reduced to CH2 group, alcohol group ಆಗಿ convert ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Therefore option D is wrong. Correct option is option C, NaBH4, that is sodium borohydride. Thank you.